Its mean a rational fraction is known as a proper fraction if the degree of the polynomial in numerator means numerator having the degree greater than the degree of denominator. For example, 2x minus 3 divided by x square plus 4 is the rational fraction. It is a proper rational fraction because in this example degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 2. It is less than the degree of denominator. In other example, rational fraction is 3x square divided by x cube plus 1. In this example, the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So both are the examples of proper fraction. Whereas improper fraction. Improper fraction, a rational fraction nx divided by dx with dx is not equal to 0 is called an improper fraction if degree of the polynomial nx in numerator is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to the degree of the polynomial dx in the denominator. For example, 5x divided by x plus 2 is the improper fraction because in this example degree of numerator is 1 and the degree of denominator is also 1. So degree of numerator and denominator is equal. Whereas in this example the degree of numerator is 3 and degree of denominator is 2. So the degree of numerator is greater than denominator. It is called as an improper fraction. The difference of these two fractions is this: the degree of numerator in proper fraction is less than the degree of denominator, whereas in improper fraction degree of numerator will be equal to denominator or greater than denominator. So these are examples of proper and improper fractions.